I'm here visiting some old friends of mine, these beautiful tall pine trees, and their children over here. This is a pine forest that has been a refuge for me for about 28 years, 30 years. Where do you go to connect with nature, to feel your groundedness, to connect with the earth? We are incarnate spirits in bodies on this beautiful garden of a planet. All the energies of nature are designed to help us, to heal us, to help our spirits be in bodies and fully enjoy and appreciate and learn from this human experience with all its ups and downs, trials and tribulations, joys and ecstasies. Go connect with nature. Nurture the earth element within you.